Hello people, welcome to our channel Travel with Divyanu. So I have come up with one more product review, which is unboxing video of order which I placed on Cred app, which is costing me of 88 rupees for masala tea powder, which is really nutritious and as well as very herbal in nature, less preservatives and all. So there was a daily stash which I've been selected, and in that it showed me 150 rupees of tea powder, which is of 50 grams, will be costing me only below 90 rupees. So hence I have purchased this, and it seems to be really good. Everything is transparent. Let it be expiry date, manufacturing, and how to use, what are the benefits of this masala chai. So happy shopping. Thank you so much, Cred. I'm in love with this. Very eco-friendly and economical as well. So thank you so much. Thank you, people. Bye. See ya.